it's Todd Ault. Welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is open repo or open repo agreement. What does that mean, a repo? It means the agreement to repurchase securities at a specific date or time. However, with an open repo, there is no specific date or time, but you do have the right to buy it back. Let's say I'm a company like Intel and I own $100 million worth of treasuries on my balance sheet that are good for 5 years. But I need some short-term cash. I can take those treasuries and I can sell them on a repurchase basis to, say, an investment bank. Now that investment bank has given me the right to buy them back or to repo them or repurchase them. I don't want to get rid of them, but I need the money short term, so I have an open repo agreement with an investment bank or institution. Today's word is open repo. Hey, on that open repo agreement, there's still specifics where you can notify that you want to repurchase it, and you got to give them some notice the day you're going to do it. But there's an open agreement because generally the securities are liquid and they're easy to exchange. Today's word is open repo.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.